All right. Hello, my favorite sixth graders. I just wanted to step you through what you need to be doing here for Friday for your asynchronous lesson. Make sure you check your daily agenda. So, over here on the right hand side, you'll see for periods 3 and 6 what we're working on. Okay. Make sure you do your attendance form. Your learning goal for today is to show what you know on your checkpoint quiz. Every 5 sessions in Math Navigator, you have a quiz, and today is that day. But I know you're going to do awesome and you're going to rock it. Down here below, you can go do your mindfulness. So there's the link to the music, and you can draw if you'd like during that time. And then I'm going to have you open up our Google Jamboard. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this and see what it looks like. I'm going to practice some gratitude today. So, what are you grateful for? What are you grateful means thankful, right? So, what are you thankful for today? So, you're going to go ahead and add a sticky note. Put your note in here for either period 3 or the next slide has for period 6. What are you grateful for? What are you thankful for today? That's your warm up. Then, in your lesson for today, you're going to do Navigator Session 7. It is a checkpoint quiz, but it is not a Pear Deck. It is a Google form, and that's how I'm going to do my quizzes. So in Google Classroom, you can find it under classwork, and then you're going to scroll down to week 6, and it's going to be right here, assignment number 10, Navigator Session 7, and you can click on the link and it'll open up the Google form. So you're going to put in your name. I'm just going to type me so you can see how to open it up. You're going to put in today's date. You're going to put your class period. We have an academic honesty promise. Just basically, you're promising that the answers that you put on this quiz are your own. You're not getting help from anyone or from the internet or using calculators or any other people. So we're just going to mark that as yes. And then hit next, and your quiz will go ahead and open for you. So we're using tape diagrams and number lines to kind of help think about how we work with unit fractions. So number 1, I want to know what fraction of the whole is shaded. This represents one whole. The whole entire thing is one whole. It's not separated into other wholes like some of the ones we've been doing. So make sure you answer that one. Number 2, what number is shown on this number line? I'm looking for what this point is way over here at the end. Number 3, which equation does this number line show? So I'm thinking about how many jumps I had and what the size of that jump was. So how much it was worth. Think about your landing point should match your answer. Number 4, which tape diagram or number line shows the problem 9/6 minus 2/6? There's only 3 options on that one. D, none of the above. And number 5, you're going to go ahead and solve it. What is 9/6 minus 2/6? And then your reflection. So far, my understanding of adding and subtracting fractions has been, and you let me know. Once that's finished, you're going to make sure you turn in that assignment in Google Classroom. You also have an exit ticket for today. How did you do on your checkpoint quiz? And if in that point in time you have finished everything and you still have some time left, you can work in your choice board. So within this choice board of activities, there's quite a few different things that you can do. It works best when you put it into presentation mode. So I'm going to have you come up and hit present in the upper right hand corner once it loads. It's trying. Okay. If you move to the second slide, it has your choices. So there's 6 different choices. The first one is to check your MobyMax. Make sure that you've got your 60 minutes done in your math. Make sure that your fact fluency 20 minutes is done in fact fluency. Watch the other video to see how you can check for your times on those things. And then look at how many you're getting correct and what's your percent focus. That may be helpful for you to know how your MobyMax grade is going to go for the week. If you click back here on the home, it gets you back to your options. Second one is a breakout room. It's pretty fun. So it's called Escape the Galaxy. You can click down here on the link to get started. It's basically a digital breakout. Number 3 is Prodigy. So you can go play some Prodigy. It's a fun math game. If you haven't done it, make sure you sign in with Google and you can enter my class code so that I can track your progress as well. The 4th one are some other math games that are available. And you could do some self-care, some self-learning in the virtual calm room or off of our Summit Ridge library website. And the last one is to think about if you had any missing work either in math seminar or in your regular math class. This would be a good opportunity to get caught up on some of those things that you might be missing. So those are your options from your choice board of things that you could be working on if you still have time left at the end of class. All right, don't forget, things that are due today are this Navigator Session 7, your quiz. Make sure that gets turned into Google Classroom. And your exit ticket for today needs to be turned into Google Classroom. MobyMax time is due on Sunday, so make sure your time for that is finished by then. All right, have a good day.